The story begins in a beautiful province in China, Yunnan.
The owner had bought this hotel last year in May. Their hotel only has 30 rooms. The hardware facility is not actually as good as various other hotel in the same area, so the sales actually is not quite good. What does the owner do? How can he turn around the whole business from a really little sales, really little brand awareness, attracting 90 million likes and increase of 60,000 followers in a short period of time? So let's check out. The only thing that douyin might be the way to go. Douyin is quite a huge short video platform right now in China. A lot of hotels are leveraging douyin to promote tourism industry in China right now. So the only thing, why not just try, see how it goes? Guess what he has done in the first 2 months? He has done some funny jokes, pretty woman, but all of this doesn't really work. So he was thinking what he can do to turn around. He is leveraging his little pet. He actually has a little parrot. He was like, okay, why not try it out? It actually become a really popular video in Douyin. If you look at some of the interesting video right now, I'm gonna show you some of the videos that he has leveraged his little pet. You can see actually how funny. That is definitely really interesting.
我会唱歌，我会唱歌，我会跳舞，我会跳舞，我会飞，你放屁。
If you want to learn more about digital marketing tips and hacks, creative and technology trends, please subscribe my videos, my YouTube channel. I'm going to share with you some very interesting stories and useful tips. I will see you then.